try to decide it, but nothing feels right when I'm not with you. Na 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 na. Shotgun Star Tutorial. So, nag-trending ulit to. 2000s hit song. Di ko sure kung anong eksaktong year no. Ang title nito ay T-shirt mula kay Ma'am Chantel. So, two version ituturo ko dito. Two version. Ang isa, no K po version. At ang first version ay ang first version, no K po. Ang first version, no K po. Ang second version ay with cape po. So, panoorin nyo na buo sa mga gustong gumamit ng kapo na mas madali. Start to take agad. First version muna. At ang starting pala ito, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, first, yan ang starting pattern. Timing natin sa mga chords. Ito ang first version, no key po. So, F sharp. Yan ang F, second fret, second fret. Okay? The second chord ay C sharp. So 4th fret, yan ang B. 4th fret, 4th fret. Okay? And then third chord ay B. Then fourth chord, ulitin lang ang C sharp. So play natin, timing natin na. Down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Natin na try to decide na 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 down up down up down up and na na. So repeat lang para sa verse. Up down. So repeat lang yan. Then pali sa chorus, nothing feels right when I'm with you. Down up down with you. Okay? So, yan ang buong lahat ng mga chords sa buong kanta, guys. Yan ang first version. No K po, C sharp, B, balik ng C sharp. So, second version ay eto. So, second fret muna, K po, second fret. Okay? Second fret. And then pakita ko muna mga chords. Ito mas pinadali ito. Okay? Pa ring bar, no? Pero at least di na masyadong nakakapagod sa daliri o kamay. So E, second fret, K po ulit, E, and then B, and then simple A, basic A, and then bake ng B. So atong strumming, yan pa rin, repeat nyo lang. So play natin na down, up, down, up, down. Lang ito, guys, tala mo chord. Katayin natin na try to decide okay? Chorus line natin. Nothing feels right but I'm fine with you. Yan at guys, no, repeat lang yan. Dahil acoustic nga ito, pwede nyo namang hindi masyadong bilisan. So medyo may pagka-slow ang pagkatira, no, kasi acoustic. Okay. Kung meron kayong kakilala na memorize na pakanta nyo to, no? So ito ang second version with K po, second fret. This is my tutorial, guys. Yung sa next na upload natin, 2 version. No K po yung isa, ito with K po version.